How to publish a GitHub repository with GitHub Pages. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to deploy your repository using GitHub Pages. First, make sure your project files have already been uploaded to your GitHub repository. Next, open your repository and click on the Settings tab. In the left sidebar, scroll down to the Code and Automation section and select Pages. Under Build and Deployment, make sure Source is set to Deploy from a Branch. Now, click the branch dropdown, select Main, and leave the folder set to /root. Then click Save. GitHub will now begin building and deploying your website. This process may take a few minutes, depending on the size of your project. To check the deployment status, go back to the Code tab. You may see a yellow or orange indicator while your site is being built. You can click Details to view the deployment progress. Once the deployment is complete, return to Settings, then Pages. You'll now see the public URL for your website. Click Visit Site or open the URL in your browser to view your live project. You can share this URL with anyone to let them access your GitHub Pages website. If you want to use your own domain name, you can also add it in the Custom Domain section on the same page. And that's it. You've successfully published your GitHub repository with GitHub Pages. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more GitHub and web development tutorials.